Cheryl got the mahi. I think it was like $15, $16. I got the two choice barbecue sweet sour pork and chicken katsu. They got the katsu sauce here. Comes with mac salad. You can see the rice and the fried noodles that Kelly is always talking about. I'm gonna try the chicken katsu first. That's pretty good chicken katsu. Okay. Let me try a little bit of the mac salad. Don't worry, I'm gonna get to the fried noodles. The mac salad. A little bit of rice. Let's try some of the fried noodles now. This is what they're known for. Pretty good, tasty. I'm gonna try some of this spicy barbecue pork now. Some mac salad, rice, a little bit more. With the fried noodles. Let me try some more of the pork. Oh, this thing is getting hot now. It's kicking in. Let's try some more of the pork. It's getting hot now. I can really taste the flavor. That is spicy. No, at first it's not spicy. Good food. Thanks for the suggestion, woo. Kelly. Leeward Drive-In. You gotta check them out there in Waipahu. I'll put the link down in the description below. Mahalo.